Hello everyone, it's me Syam Kishore Shah and today I'm going to show my IT project demo. So without further delay, let's get started. Our project name is Smart Home Automation System. The name suggests the Smart Home Automation System that we have included there the lots of things which makes our home smart and automated. The variety of the system will going to be automated. So to explain about this, at the first here we have used the IR sensor which detect the ops. Then the alert message will going to the inside the home, and the owner knows that there is someone and he knows, and after that the man will enter here, and if the man enter here then ultrasonic sensor will detect the distance, and if the distance is less than 15 centimeter then door will be automatically open. Let's see here, it is actually opening as well, and also the how many people have already gone inside the home, it will also increment every time how many people has already gone inside the home, and you'll also update on the real time. And now this is the first and second sensor work. Now let's go for the temperature sensor. Here the your DTS11 will measure the humidity and the temperature sensor. If here we have just keep it, and the real time temperature are also we can see on the our mobile or laptop. Now you can say if we have also set here the threshold value for the temperature. If the temperature detect greater than 20 degrees Celsius, then the fan will automatically turn on, and if the suddenly or over the time temperature decreases and becomes less than 20 degrees Celsius, then fan will automatically stop. Now this is the function of the TST sensor. Now we have added here the one more sensor, whose name is the rain sensor. And rain sensor which detect actually the rain. If the rain is detected, then we have put here the variety of operation. First of all, here we have put a cloth on hanger, which is in default. It is in the source of light, so that it will dry. If the rain is detected, then it will go inside in the safer zone, so that it protect to wet protect due to the rain. And also here initially the door is open. If the rain is detected, then the door will also close, and until and unless the temperature the rain is detected, then door will open. And we have also one stand which just protect the car and for the weather. And if also let's suppose do here practically, now if we put air water, let's suppose here the rain is detected. If the rain is detected, you can say here that all of the functionality are working properly. If until and unless the rain is detected, the clothes are in the safer zone, and it never comes when the rain is detected once, and the windows are also going to close. Once the rain is stop, then it will close and turn on our the default position. And also here the door and all the stands are also going to put on the default position. This is what we have done in our Smart Home Automation System project, which is really exciting for me. We have lot variety of things by using this.